Hello, Prekinder. So glad to see you. Today, we're going to continue learning about the Carnival of the Animals that was composed by Camille Sanchez. The last class, we learned about the lion. And do you remember that I told you that Camille Sanchez thought about an animal, how it moves, the sounds that makes, and he composed that music thinking about a lion. Now, we're going to learn about the hens and roosters. He thought about hens, roosters, and chicks and how they move, the sound that they make, and he composed this music. It's really short and you can find it at the Classroom platform as an attached video. Lo pueden encontrar en la plataforma de Classroom como un video adjunto. Next, you will have to listen to the music again and identify what instruments were playing in that music. There's a worksheet on the Classroom platform with a lot of instruments and you have to circle, tienen que encerrar, only the instruments that you heard on the hens and roosters. Okay, I hope you have fun. Enjoy. Goodbye.